have DJ music, please.
I'm a great American bitch. I refuse to wear corsets and lace. I earn my own wages and burst into rages when men say know your place. My boss tried to fondle me under my skirt. I kicked him like this in the crotch. When I turned, I got fired. But hey, I'd rather be right than rich. 'Cause I'm a great American bitch. She's a great American bitch. I'm a great American bitch. I'm a great American bitch. I seduce whoever I please. Very good. I fornicate freely, and some say I really bring pleasure into their knees. I propose to a Dutchman, we're wedded in bliss, 'cause he doesn't mind who else I might kiss. Though most of the time I prefer to scratch my own itch. 'Cause I'm a great American bitch. She's a great American bitch. I'm a great American bitch. Lucy, your turn. Come on, Lucy.
I'm a great American. I'm sorry, honestly, just don't love that word.
We'll do it together. Come on.
You're a great American bitch.
Well, thanks.
I've known it since sophomore year. Not this story. When Professor McMuller said only male scholars could manage a doctor's career.
Boo, Professor.
Drove this expensive new Ford Model T, so I scratched it all over with my bedroom key. But Lucy went further. I may have pushed his car into a ditch. Why?